Tip 1: if you have a car like banana car or Jeep, you should invite people to avoid sitting in the passenger seat. Tip 2: you can know where the dinosaur spawned by checking the background of the cutscene. For example, right here it shows a boat and a mine next to it. Jungle Landing has both of these, so this should be Jungle Landing spawn. Now go grab a toolkit and fuel now like shown here. And if you're in PC, press and hold spacebar and W and or D key depend on which way you want to turn. This allows you to drift like shown here. It helps to avoid dinosaur. Also grab a medkit, a dinosaur tracker and a mine if it spawns like shown here. And use the medkit for extra 60 health. This allows you to escape without dying or tank one hit from most new dinosaurs. If the mine spawned and you grabbed it, place it at the entrance of jungle or near barrels. In this case dinosaur spawned on the other side, so you should place it in the entrance of jungle. Tip: sit back in the car while you are placing it down, that way you don't stay stuck in one place. Use tracker to stay a safe distance away from the dinosaur, but use the tracker wisely, it only has 3 uses. You can get out of your car to shoot the dinosaur to do more damage to it. This helps you kill it faster and get MVP Hunter too, but be careful not to get out when dinosaur to close unless it's sprint on cooldown or you have a car that has very good pickup like go-kart. Also there are mine around the map, find them and place them to do extra damage. If you don't have a good PC or a mouse, use a sniper to try hit bullet instead of multiple bullet guns like MP5, because lag can make bullet disappear even though you aim properly, and if your mouse bad you will miss more than you hit, so just try your best to hit one bullet. But if you already bought a multi-bullet gun like MP5, try hitting the barrels when dinosaur close to them. Pair mines with barrels and you will take a large chunk of the dinosaur health. But if you are using sniper, tell the people you invited to shoot them. And don't use the sniper's scope to shoot because it is buggy and will make you turn in a wrong direction even though you aimed properly. Use it to see where dinosaur is if it's hiding like shown here. If your car got hit by the dinosaur, use the toolkit you grabbed earlier. And fuel the car if it has low fuel. It mainly depends on which car you're using. Boom, just like that, you won. Now for codes. First code is gonna be primal. All capitals letters. This is gonna give you 500 bones. $60k likes is the second code, all caps instead of the letter I, it is 1. This will give you 450 bones. That is all for the codes. Now let's move on to the dinosaur gameplay. Alright, so here are dinosaur gameplay tips. Not gonna lie, T-Rexes are underrated. They're better than even Carno if you use it right. First, use your scent ability to locate where the people are. Then use your sprint ability to reach them quickly. If people are using the juke spots, use stomp like this. And don't target one person because other people will not stop shooting you and you won't be able to kill everyone in time, thus you will lose. Use your stomp only when you're close and certain you can hit it. If you are far and try hitting it, it will just you and make you easy target. Just like that, I won.